Hello guys, this is Faisal Qazi. And again I am come with this one of the premium and best full HD LED projector manufactured by Goodee. Goodee is dedicated to providing the high-cost performance products and services to customers around the world. High quality at reasonable budget is the key feature of this projector company. Today, there are many more options available in the market, but trust me guys, this Goodee YG620 Full HD LED projector definitely makes you crazy. While it might have been nice if the projector could get slightly brighter, given the fact that with enough ambient light it can put a serious damper on the overall image quality, then I think this Goodee YG620 is arguably the best way to go if you're looking for a brightest projector around $200 price range. Before discussing the features and projection quality of this projector, let's open the box and check it out what is inside the box. The projector module and accessories very well packed in a black box. One of interesting part of this Goodee projector is that it comes with bag. Generally, this kind of carry bag is not provided by any other projector company, but this one is very useful to store the projector when projector is not in use and very convenient when you travel from one place to another. Also, there is an accessory box inside the black box. In the accessory box, there are all required cable like HDMI cable, audio-video cable, power cord, and one remote control that make easy to control all multimedia setting. And of course user manual, read it carefully before operating the projector. Keep this accessory aside and let's discuss about the projector. The design of the projector has a general aesthetic which you might have seen commonly in projectors available, front with lens and back with all ports. However, if we go in detail, then this is not completely like other projectors, those usually have a square block shape, rather it has a hexagon shape with both side has a grill-like design, make it very attractive due to the perfect combination of black and silver color. Inside the grill you can find the tiny filter that protect the projector from dust. Top of the projector holds all the control buttons to operate it. But this time Goodee provide touch control panel that give you very premium feels in budget projector. The best thing in this projector is that there is both side we have IR sensors. It means doesn't matter you are sitting at the front side or back side or have hang the projectors from the ceiling, you can easily control it. In the center of the front side, it holds the leveling adjustment foot, helps in setting up the projector as per the surface of the table to get the best picture view. Let's move to the backside which accommodates all the important ports and connectivity options. VGA input, 2 HDMI port, USB charging port, using that you can easily charge your portable devices. USB for multimedia input, 1 audio-video input and last one is 3.5mm headphones jacks. Moreover, there is a control for the keystone correction that correct up to plus or minus 15 degree. And there is a fan to pump the air to cool down the internal components of this projector. As per my test, this Goodee YG620 is a budget belter of a home entertainment projector. This solid budget projector manages to avoid a lot of the common low-end pitfalls. It produces a crisp, low-lag image with an acceptable throw ratio and without any issues with color, brightness or contrast. 1080p resolution gives you sharp and detailed images from HD content without downsampling or compression. Perfect for watching Blu-ray movies, HD broadcasting, making presentation and playing video games. This projector is designed for a display size between 43 to 300 inches. It has high contrast ratio of 7000 by 1 and 6000 lux output delivers bright and vibrant images without any complication. I take guarantee that this one is brightest projector in this price segment, making it well suited for bright room environments where there's not a lot of control over ambient light. Being a LED projector, it produces less heat as compared to those brightest options available in the market. Advanced LED bulbs last up to 55,000 hours, which means that the lamp can be used for more than 15 years if you use 5 hours daily. It comes with a powerful cooling system, awesome heat dispersion, and low noise are achieved due to improved low fan sound design. Currently, the projected screen is 100 inches approximately. With close-up, I can't find any pixelation. Picture is very clear and sharp, even at bigger screen size. You can't easily find pixelation because it is native Full HD projector. You can directly play any photos or videos on Projector via plug-and-play USB port. Also, Projector has an built stereo speaker with 5-watt output, that enough loud to complete your home entertainment experience. This powerful, crystal clear sound quality speaker can enough to meet your needs. According to my opinion, if you're looking for multi-purpose home entertainment projector that won't break the bank, then this Goodee YG620 won't disappoint. I will totally recommend it for home and office usage. Make sure my opinion by reading the hundreds of other users' feedback on Amazon. This is one of the best rated projector on Amazon with 4.8 star out of 5. Go to video description for link and see you soon in next one.